Hi, I'm Ashley from Panduit, and I'd like to tell you about an innovative new wiring duct product for use in control panels where both electrical and communications cables exist. The new shielded duct from Panduit applies a metal foil to wiring duct, creating a barrier shield to reduce the effects of electromagnetic interference, commonly known as EMI. EMI noise, if not considered during panel design, can wreak havoc on lower cables, causing data loss in network cables. The advantage brought by shielded duct is the ability to manage EMI noise without using the conventional 6-inch air gap spacing between cables, wires, and logic components. Benefits come from the ability to use a smaller size enclosure, saving money on the project while maintaining network communication performance. For more information, please visit www.panduit.com/wiringduct and click on Shielded Duct, or contact your distributor for more information.